Welcome to Wayne's Weird World. Oh, good. Spill them everywhere. What I'm doing is cleaning up after the Fourth Valley Blues Festival. And these things are all over the ground, everywhere. Okay? Cable ties. Now, this one, obviously, isn't usable anymore. Even when you strip it out, I can't bend it around even for a wiring harness for a motorcycle. That one, borderline, but I've got so many of those that I'm not going to bother saving that one. This one, well, that end strips out, and this part I can salvage. Now, tip it over again. So you need a small, blunt, flat. This is a nice little wedge on this little tiny Leatherman. I also use a wire from a street sweeper blade, and push it in, and you separate them. Well, these are all the ones that I've separated so far. Yeah, I've got a long way to go, because I've got all those as well. Cheers. Only tea. It's too early in the morning. Now, you're going to find a lot of them that are damaged like this. Not worth it. Go in the bin. Something like this one, where they've been pulled together, it's too much hassle, and if you have plenty of them, why bother with the difficult ones? Ones like this one, obviously that part's no longer usable. This part's no longer usable. But this one is. Try not to stab yourself in the leg. So that goes in with all the good ones. And that goes in the bin. There's another one. When it was cut, if it would have been cut here, that portion would have been salvageable. Instead, it was cut on that side, and it's a waste. Same here. Cut on the wrong side. So if you're taking them down, you can salvage a lot. But if somebody else is cutting them down, you just clean up everything that's on the ground, and hopefully you can actually make some use of it, because it's a bit of a shame just to throw it all away. So that's what I'm doing, cleaning up this. I've got sore muscles that I've forgotten about, that I haven't remembered in a long time. First it was setting up, then helping with the function on 2 days, and then taking down. And the crew that was there for taking it down was about half the size of the crew setting it up. I'm getting too old for this. I'm sore. Yesterday I could hardly move. Anyway, that's it. Wayne's Weird World, salvaging cable ties or zip ties or whatever you call them. All right, cheers. See ya.